Welcome to The Brain Decoded, where we unravel the mysteries of the mind. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of synapses, how neurons communicate. If you've ever wondered how your brain processes information, forms memories, or even allows you to move, then this video is for you. We'll explore the incredible connections that make it all possible. So stick around to decode the brain's fundamental communication system. At the heart of everything your brain does are billions of tiny specialized cells called neurons. Think of them as the fundamental building blocks of your entire nervous system. So what exactly are neurons? They are excitable cells that transmit information through electrical and chemical signals. Each neuron has a cell body, dendrites that receive signals, and an axon that sends signals. But how do these individual neurons come together to form the brain's incredibly complex network? It's all about connection, and that's where synapses come in. The key to understanding how neurons communicate lies in a specialized structure called the synapse. This isn't just a simple connection. It's a dynamic, intricate junction. A synapse is the microscopic gap or junction between two neurons, where electrical impulses are transmitted from one neuron to another, typically through chemical messengers. Every synapse involves three main components: the pre-synaptic neuron, which sends the signal, the post-synaptic neuron, which receives it, and the synaptic cleft, the tiny space separating them. The magic of synaptic communication lies in its ability to convert electrical signals into chemical signals, and then back again. It all begins in the presynaptic neuron. When an electrical signal, called an action potential, reaches the end of this neuron, it triggers a cascade of events. These crucial chemical messengers are called neurotransmitters. There are many different types, each with specific functions, from regulating mood to controlling movement. Once the action potential arrives, it prompts the presynaptic neuron to release these neurotransmitters. Think of them as tiny envelopes carrying important messages. These neurotransmitters are packaged into tiny sacs called vesicles. When the action potential arrives, these vesicles fuse with the presynaptic membrane, releasing their contents into the synaptic cleft. Once in the synaptic cleft, these neurotransmitters quickly diffuse across the gap and bind to specific receptor proteins located on the surface of the postsynaptic neuron. This binding acts like a key fitting into a lock, opening ion channels and causing a change in the electrical potential of the postsynaptic neuron. This is how the signal is transmitted. Synapses can be either excitatory or inhibitory. Excitatory synapses make the postsynaptic neuron more likely to fire an action potential, while inhibitory synapses make it less likely. The postsynaptic neuron constantly receives signals from thousands of other neurons. It then integrates all these incoming excitatory and inhibitory signals to decide whether or not to fire its own action potential. So why are these tiny junctions so incredibly important? Because they are the fundamental units of communication in our brains, dictating everything we do, think, and feel. Synapses are crucial for learning and memory. When you learn something new, the strength of specific synaptic connections changes, making those pathways more efficient. This process is called synaptic plasticity. They also profoundly influence our behavior and thoughts. Every decision, every emotion, every movement is a result of complex synaptic interactions across vast neural networks. In conclusion, synapses are far more than just simple connections. They are the dynamic hubs where the brain's information processing truly happens. From electrical signals to chemical messengers and back again, this intricate dance of communication allows neurons to form the complex networks that underpin all brain function. It's a continuous, rapid-fire exchange. The complexity and wonder of the brain's neural network, powered by billions of these microscopic synapses, truly showcase the incredible design of the human mind. We hope this journey into the synapse has demystified how your brain communicates.